Claims that a woman was forced to have sex with Prince Andrew when she was 17 are to be struck from the record of a civil case in the U.S., a judge has said. The Duke of York was named in court papers in Florida by a woman alleging financier Jeffrey Epstein forced her to have sex with the Duke 3 times. But Judge Kenneth Marra said the lurid claims were unnecessary to decide the civil case. Buckingham Palace has previously emphatically denied the allegations. BBC royal correspondent Nicholas Witchell said Judge Marra had expressed no opinion as to the validity or veracity of the allegations. Immaterial and impertinent. The Duke had been named in documents filed in a Florida court about how prosecutors handled a case against Epstein, a former friend of the royal. The documents concerned claims by Virginia Roberts, who alleged that Epstein had forced her to have sex with powerful men, including the Duke, when she was 17. 2 women, known as Jane Doe No. 1 and Jane Doe No. 2, are suing the U.S. government, saying it failed to protect their rights when it entered into a plea deal with Epstein, who spent time in jail in 2008-9 for a sex offense with a minor. Ms. Roberts, referred to as Jane Doe No. 3 in the court papers, had been attempting to join the claim against the U.S. government. But the U.S. judge denied her attempt to join the claim and said Mr. Roberts' allegations about Prince Andrew were unnecessary to the determination of the case. The factual details regarding with whom and where the Jane Does engaged in sexual activities are immaterial and impertinent to this central claim, the judge said in a ruling. In the court papers, Ms. Roberts said she had been forced to have sexual relations with the Duke in 3 locations, in London, New York, and on a private Caribbean island owned by Epstein, between 1999 and 2002. Responding to the claims, which surfaced at the start of the year, Buckingham Palace said any suggestion of impropriety with underage minors is categorically untrue. In a further statement, the palace said the claims against Prince Andrew were categorically untrue and lacked any foundation. Speaking at a World Business Forum in January, Prince Andrew said he wanted to reiterate the denials issued by Buckingham Palace.